Hello mga kasubs and welcome to the Sarsicles TV. My name is Mark. I was supposed to hear, whenever I press the record button, I was supposed to hear like some sort of beep to indicate that the session has started. Apparently, there's no beep, and then I just realized that the timer is already moving. Yep, welcome to a very quiet Sunday. Not so the sun is out there somewhere, but it's covered by the clouds, and hence the brightness. And then there's some mild shower here and there, so it's basically bright and wet. So yeah, it's this is much better compared to just bright and warm, right? So who are we to complain? So what we have is a song to be performed by Alamat. Alamat is a means legend, featuring Laika Gayranod performing the song ILY ILY. I guess it's I Love You, I Love You. So sounds cheesy, but we're gonna find out in a bit. Before we give it a go, just a quick thank you to all our viewers, subscribers, members, and sponsors. Maraming salamat sa inyo. And one more thing before we click the play button, let's put it at a fixed 144. What is pictures or picture element pixels? 144 pictures. Okay, just so that minimize the interruption. So without any further delays, let's give this song a go in three, two, one.
Wish 1075.
Tulugan ay wala diri mong nanay. Katutinda bakal papay ilili tulugan ay. Alamat, handa, rap. Ano ba? Ganyan ka na lang pala. Lagi kang sinusunod para tumahan ka na. Hindi ka ba nag-iisip na may naghihirap doon? Kailangan natin magtipid. Sige, isipin mo yung kupuro luho ang gusto. Parang ang dami ng kusing luha na nagdaralita. Tumbas labang singkutuling. Kaya ipasok mo sa kaibuturan ng iyong sentido. Kailanman di madali sa kanya ang pagsakripisyo.
Aking kapatid, di mo ba nababatid? Mga magulang natin na ipinili lumayo para mabigyang lalim mga paa natin sa akin na bukas ay tatayo. Tsaka sikmura mo di nakukulo. Huwag ka nang magmumukmok para di naman sa atin yan. Kung ba tuwing celebration wala sila kaya pigilan mo ay gusto tapo ang itinidi mo. Di lang naman tayo ang ganit mo.
At tumaga sa kuwi ang pagkamusta sa kada mapud ka pirming pangaji. Sana lamang makauli ka na. Upag nadangog ang boses pagkahuro ng salamat sa kabusang sakripisyo. Dawag ka na sa rayo. Ayos ka ba dyan ay? Kamusta ka naman tay? Nakatulog ka ba naman? Hindi tuwing gabi kumakain sa oras na kukuhang umiti sa kabila ng kapaguran na matinding kalungkutan. Uri na kung ilubon pa huna-huna laiton pagkita. Basta malipay lako mo at ilako. Usap ka ano gabi magtrabaho para inyong makauli lang ka mo. Amon tigna ang puktong ginuho.
Sige na tay. Magluluto na ang parin-paringan ko.
Day, atos ratagamay gipanganak tanga lisod ginikanan nato kung unsa-unsa na lay buhaton para di ta magut mga huna-huna ba mo o dili ra gyud makahuna-una. Ayaw ra kung pakita ang aka mo ba ang may gana magkulis maot kay mis ka na magluha pawang dugo Wala na tayong mabuhat Kundi dawato ng tanan na kinina ang kabaturan Gusto ng tiyag sa angit awan ng tipik sa kanam na naibus pa yung luluwak Siya pala ang ngiting mga iwan at kayo ang maminawa
Ebaling ng ola Nakining siping ta at tsukukeni Para kay kayuling nga pandok Hikilangan mangulila Uling ka nakanda kay luguranda Malwat na lang alakon Batatang lupong ima
Nang bang muli na kayo.
Gobi, gobi
Hi,
Wishers, we are Alamat.
And this is like again Ranon from our wish.
And that is the end of the song. Okay, so before I go to the description, so the group comprises 6 members. 2 are seated, 4 are standing in the back. I'm not sure if I got this guy. I actually didn't notice him singing at maybe it was from somewhere in the middle, but I forgot. I didn't I don't remember. Yeah, but everyone else all good. As you can see in the video, so the bus is parked somewhere, and the clue would be there's a like some sort of a carnival ride on the side, what seems to be like an octopus ride. So I don't remember one having in BGC, but maybe somewhere in the Pasay area. Isn't there a theme park? Isn't there like some sort of theme park there? Anyway, let me know. You can see that the when the bus is parked, definitely there will be people around it because they're actually curious to see who is performing. I had the chance to come across a Wish bus before, but but no one is, the lights are turned off, so it's just basically parked. So there's usually no announcement outside the bus, like who is performing, but you will just know that someone is performing because the lights are on, and then there are people inside. So the band is known as, again, Alamat. When they started, it sounded like a folk song, so that's why I put here a cappella folk song. So there were no instruments. I was thinking that this would have been like some sort of a boy band because of their number. Usually boy bands are like 4 to 6, right? And they fit that description because of their cool outfits as well. So, and then when they started to sing like somewhat like a folk song, so that impressed me a bit because at their age, I don't remember, or I don't you don't really see people at this age who sings or performs folk songs unless it's like part of their school recital or part of their subject for them to pass. So yeah, very cool to see. Uh, and with regards to was that Laika, Lyra, Laika? Yeah, with Laika, I remember her. We listened to her in the past, and she has that nice squealing voice, at the end of her lines. So it's nice to see her collaborating with other groups or other artists. Now, what I like about the performance, uh, uh, so I guess Alamat is something that they will have to like live up to or continuously live up to by evolving, by displaying their talent. And so far so good with this song. So they have folk element. They have like Pinoy rap element. Around 2 minutes, it like sort of like moves to a slower, groovy R&B tune, and then it went back to that Pinoy rap style, but this time in a different dialect. I didn't pick up what dialect that was. It sounded like thick and solid, and it kind of like requires you to have a stiff tongue to pronounce it correctly because there's like the da da, you know, that those hard pronunciations or hard consonants to pronounce. So I'm not sure which region would that be, but if I am to guess, it's either it probably would have been, just a guess, somewhere north. And then around 4 minutes 11, nearing the closing of the song, it suddenly went OPM Pinoy rock style. It gave me those vibes of Sampaguita, the Nosy Balasi, that tone, that it had that kind of vibe right there. So I dig the way they infuse those genre, and also they are able to incorporate their voice to sync with the music and fit well, and thus I feel so far with this song they did well, and they are living up to the name of their group. So hopefully this goes, this snowballs, and this continues for them, and yeah, hope to see them live. Let's see how they groove, how, if they dance, do they, what have not. From a lyrical perspective, the song sounded that they are longing, waiting for someone to come back, and once they come back, they will all be together. And that kind of theme gave me the feels that this is pertaining to OFWs, overseas Filipino workers, where they sacrifice to earn bigger, to earn more, and to be able to provide to their family by going overseas in other countries where their skill allows them to earn more compared to using those skills here locally. So it's a bit unfortunate, but that's the reality. So my guess is this is about the OFW. I didn't copy paste it yet from the description, so we will find out what the song is all about if I made sense. So it's a modern reimagination of the Hiligay Noon. So it is a folk lullaby. Ili ili tulog anay. I don't know what that means. Hiligaynon. Let's see. Let me allow me to quickly Google what is Hiligaynon. So my guess earlier that the dialect that was used was from the north, right? So okay, it's Cebuano. Okay. Ah, confusing. Uh, what is Hiligaynon? So when I googled Hiligaynon, it suddenly says Cebuano, but when I scroll down further, it says Ilonggo. So it's a bit confusing. So it's embarrassing because I'm Filipino and I do not know. Okay. Hiligaynon, a member of a people inhabiting Panay, Negros, and other islands in central Philippine or central Philippines. So also often referred to as Ilonggo or Binisaya. Bisaya nga Hiligaynon, Inilonggo. Okay. So it's the dialect in Iloilo. Phew. So I'm not sure why it's ILY E ILY. So let me know in the comments for those who know. So it's mine is pretty close because it's the song speaks of the sacrifices that parents make for the betterment of their loved ones' lives. So it's not necessarily just OFW. So those who have to uh, make sacrifices, and the usual sacrifice is to leave their families and work elsewhere. So yeah. So yeah. Very cool song. So I didn't know that this is a rendition or a reimagination. So there's like some sort of info. So I guess it's not like lyric per lyric copy paste, but this was like some sort of yeah. But if you say reimagination, yeah, maybe it is. But anyway, it is a folk song, so we got that right, and it is somewhat the theme is somewhat, you know, even if you don't understand the entirety of the lyrics, you know, you feel the theme. Yeah, sometimes you get the we get to hit the mark, you know, not too close, but definitely not too far. So there you have it. That's my reaction. Let me know what you think. Leave it in the comments if you haven't done it yet. These are the stuff. Where's those stuffs? These are the stuff you can do. Even the computer is not participating. Come on, man. Okay. So these are the stuff you can do to stubborn, stubborn notepad. These are the stuff you can do to show loving to our channel. Please do as many as you can. Don't forget to tell your family and friends about the Sourcicles TV. Sharing is caring, and most importantly, stay safe, everyone. I'll see you on the next video.